Good morning, and this is my video about sector area. I'm going to introduce the formula, but before I introduce it, I'm going to go over a couple of things that you would need to know. So a sector is a piece of a circle. It's shaped like a wedge. So think of a slice of pizza. I know a lot of you thought of a piece of pizza as a triangle, but it's actually in the shape of a sector. Okay? So here is a diagram where all three pieces represent a sector. Now, sector area represents flat space. Flat space is area. So that means that when we write our final answer, it has to be in units squared, okay? So, hold on for a second. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, so the sector area formula is very similar to the arc length formula. The only difference being is that the same ratio is on the side, the central angle with the 360 degrees, but on the other side it says sector area, and then we have this formula. Do you know what it is? All right, it is the formula for area of a circle. Notice that this is squared. So when you write your final answer, you have to have your unit squared. Also, your answer will be in radians, hence the pi symbol. So let's try a problem, okay? So find the sector area when R is equal to 5 inches. It says 5 inches, not sin. And the central angle is 22 degrees. So first we're going to do is we're going to substitute our values, okay? So 22 is the central angle, so I'll substitute that. I have to find sector area, so I'll call that X. And the radius is 5 inches, so I'm going to substitute the number 5, okay? Now, as a reminder, we can reduce this 22 over 360, okay? So going into your calculator, remember to hit alpha, then y equals, and then the number 1. And then when you reduce it, it comes out to be 11 over 180. And then it's going to equal x over 5 squared. Remember, 5 squared is 25. So then we'll cross multiply. Okay, so we cross multiply 180 times x, 25 pi times 11, which gives us 275 pi equals 180x. Then we'll divide both sides by 180, and we get 275 pi over 180 equals x. Now remember, we have to reduce it, so go to alpha, y equals 1, and we get 55 over 36 pi. Now that you can put it to the side, or you can put it on top of the fraction. And then it's inches squared because our radius was 5 inches. So that means that our sector area, remember we're talking about area, so that means the units must be squared. Okay, if you want to look at some, I don't know, you don't have any textbooks, but you can make up your own problems by making up your own angles and your own radiuses. Okay, I'll see some of you later.